Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kathleen. This is my channel, Cat and Crew. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and like, comment, hit that post notification bell. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. So let's get into it. This is from Boxycharm pop-up. Yo, they're wasteful. Look, all that for that. So just a bunch of tissue paper to start off with. So first, sorry guys, we got the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. I already have this. I'll show you guys. That's how it looks. This is this on my eyes. I love it. It was only $6, so I figured why not. So that's that. Next we got the Choc Green Tea Foam Cleanser. It says it contains the moisture of fermented green tea cultivated by sunlight, wind, and nature throughout 4 seasons by Tony Moly. And that's that. Next I got, wow, it's super small. I never got these before. The Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring. This was only $2, so I figured why not, you know. I never used these before, so let's see. They seem okay. Okay, that's that. And last, I got the Hot Tropic Foxy Bay, no fox given, that's funny, 32mm curling wand. I have curling iron, straighteners, blowout, stylers, but I don't have a curling wand. Let's see. If I can get it open, guys. It says the Tropic Like It's Hot. The new 32mm curling wand is perfect for Insta-worthy beachy waves or big bouncy curls. Made with special grade tourmaline infused ceramic that creates shine, gorgeous waves, and is ideal for everyday use. This wand is gentle enough that it minimizes damage while producing shine and reducing frizz. Get effortless off-duty model glam waves to last all summer long. Life's a beach, so why not look like a beach babe too? Quick heat up time. Tourmaline infused ceramic. Okay. So it comes with like little directions. Okay, what's this? Oh, it comes with a nice glove. That's cool. This like little packaging. I really like this. It looks really expensive. Well, it says it's like worth $100 and something, and I only paid like $40 for this. So yeah, this is super nice. But I had ordered 2 more things, so if you guys want to see a video on those things when they arrive, for some reason they sent them out separately, let me know. Drop it in the comments below. But yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.